In this video you will see how the Pip Difference Calculator gives you the number of pips based on the stop loss difference and take profit difference, which is the difference between the entry price and the stop loss and take profit. This way you will get the number of pips. So you can use a pip value calculator to get the number of pips valued in US dollar as a currency. On the left side you can see a Pip Difference Calculator where you need to select symbol before that, and that is to select how many decimal points your chart is using on different currency pairs. In this case I'm using Forex market, and we have a contract size which is equal to 100,000 units. So we have a currency pairs that are defined with 4 or 5 or 2 or 3 decimal points. On the right side you can see the Euro USD chart, and when you can see the price, which is currently 1.06964, it has 5 decimal points. When the price has defined as a 5 decimal point, that means the last number here, the number 7 in the price, is the number of pipettes, and the number on the fourth decimal point is the number of pips. So when the price changes from 6.8 to 6.7, it will change by 0.1 pip or 1 pipette. When you have USD Japanese yen, for example, that is a currency pair that has 3 decimal points. And if you have price change on the last decimal point, it is a price change by 1 pipette, not 1 pip. So this calculator gives you an opportunity to define how many decimal points you would like, so you can calculate the number of pipettes and also the number of pips. Let's take an example for the Euro USD first, then we will see with the Japanese yen, which has 3 decimal points. For example, your job is to select a symbol, how many decimal points it has. For example, I am using 5 decimal points because currently I have Euro USD as 5 decimal points symbol. So then you enter the entry price, stop loss and take profit. So you get the stop loss difference and take profit difference in price. So for example, here it is an example on the chart where I have the price here. Let's take it on the current market price, and let's for example take this one as a stop loss. And let's put take profit somewhere below. This means that the price will drop down, so the stop loss is above the entry price and take profit is below. When I enter these values, the entry price is 1.06973, stop loss is 1.07063, and the take profit is 1.06751. When you click calculate, you get the price difference. And the price difference is with 5 decimal points because you have 5 decimal point symbol. But here it is. On the last 2 digits, which is the 4th and the 5th decimal point, we have 90, which means 9 pips and 0 pipettes. But for example here the take profit difference has 22 as the last 2 digits, so we have 22.2 pips, which means we have 2 pipettes and 22 pips. But for example, if you have 4 decimal point symbol, let's select this one and click calculate, you will get the price difference only with 4 digits. The 5th digit, which was here the number 2 in the take profit difference, is currently set to 0 because we are not looking at the 5th decimal point. So this way you can use this Pip Difference Calculator for different decimal point symbols, so you can get the number of pips or the pipettes. Now let's take an example for the USD Japanese yen, which is a 3 decimal point symbol. Let's put here the entry point, let's put here the stop loss and put here take profit. Let's enter here the values, but before that let's select 3 decimal point symbol and then enter these values. The entry point is 139.848, a stop loss is 139.972, and the take profit is 139.559. With 3 decimal points, when we click calculate, we get the price difference with 3 decimal points. So the price difference between the entry price and the stop loss is 0.124, and the price difference for the profit is 0.289. So when you get the number of pips with 3 decimal points, you get that you have 12 pips and 4 pipettes, or 12.4 pips. And for the take profit you get 28.9 pips, which is 28 pips and 9 pipettes. But if you would like to have this calculated with a 2 decimal point without pipettes, you select this one in the drop-down menu and click calculate. And then you get the price difference for the stop loss is 12 pips, and for the take profit difference you get 29 pips. So you can see how you can use this Pip Difference Calculator to get the number of pips, which you can use then to calculate the pip value with another calculator. You will have below in the description a link to this Pip Difference Calculator, and also I will give you a link to the pip value calculator, so you can immediately calculate the value of these pips you get here. Have in mind, and that is one important notice, and that is that if you are using some other market, for example synthetic indices market, where the contract size is not equal 100,000 units, like in Forex, this Pip Difference Calculator will not be good, because there you will have the pips defined with different decimal points, because there the pip can be at the first decimal point or it can be without the decimal point. So this Pip Difference Calculator will not give you the correct value in number of pips. So if you are using any other also market which is not synthetic, or maybe you are using stock market, pay attention that there will be some kind of misinformations if you are using this Pip Difference Calculator. Have in mind that. If you have any questions regarding this Pip Difference Calculator, please leave a comment and I will try to make an answer with another video to your questions. If you like the video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!